Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare vegetable dal. To prepare this recipe friends, I have taken 1 cup of moong dal. This is the yellow one. You can mix the orange one also with this. The masoor and masoor together you can mix, but I will be using only moong dal. Here I have taken 1 big tomatoes and I have sliced it. Little bit of French beans. Here I have taken little bit of cauliflower. I have soaked them in salted water so that if there is any worm in this, so it will come out. So I have already soaked it in the salted water for 5 minutes. Here I have taken little bit of green peas. This is 1 carrot. I have cubed them. Here I have taken 2 dried red chilies, little bit of cumin seeds, that is jeera. This is hing. This is little bit of curry patta leaves. Here I have a little bit of coriander leaf, fresh coriander leaf. I'll be using turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. I'll be using salt as per our taste, and I'll be preparing this dal in this mustard oil. So now let's get started. Here friends, I have heated 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Now I am going to add the hing, curry leaves. Be careful friends, since I have washed it, so it might splatter. Water is there. Please be careful. Then I will add the cumin seeds. Let it get cooked for some time. Now friends, I will add the onion. I have taken 1 onion and I have chopped it finely. Just saute this for some time. Now friends, I will add the vegetables. First let us add the carrots. The green peas. The French beans. I have forgotten to add the dried red chilies. We should add this dried red chilies in the hot oil. So I'm adding it now, no problem. The cauliflower. And at last the tomatoes. So as you can see friends, I've added the tomatoes and all the vegetables now. And now I will cook this in this oil for a minute. After sauteing it for some time, now I will add the washed dal. Washed dal and the turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt as per our taste. And now I will mix everything and saute all this for another 1 minute. You can also add a little bit of coriander leaves. Keep some, we'll add it later, but a little bit we can add coriander leaves also. After sauteing the vegetables for a minute, now I will add water. So for 1 cup of dal, I will add 2 cups of water. I have measured the dal in this cup friends. So I will add 2 cups of water. I'll mix everything. And now I will close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook this for 5 whistles. So here is our 5 whistles over, friend. I'm going to put off the flame and let it get cool down. So now, friends, we can see our pressure cooker is nicely settled down. So I'll open the pressure cooker. Here is our mixed vegetable dal ready. You can add a spoon of ghee to this. This is optional. I would like to add. If you want, you can use a masher also to mix the vegetables. And you can also at this moment, friends, check the salt. If you want the consistency of this dal to be little thin, then please add little water and boil it. Or else, if you like this consistency, then it's fine. Now it's ready to serve. Here is our mixed vegetable dal ready to savor. You can garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. Very simple, very easy, and a very delicious recipe, friend. Do try this recipe at home. Please subscribe to my channel, friends, if you liked my recipe, and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.